Spanish 2, sentences 73 through 76. 73. These books are boring. Estos libros son aburridos. Estos libros son aburridos. 74. She is very thirsty. Ella tiene mucha sed. Ella tiene mucha sed. 75. The boys are very hungry. Los chicos tienen mucha hambre. Los chicos tienen mucha hambre. 76. There is a dog on the sofa. Hay un perro en el sofá. Hay un perro en el sofá. Now, a lot of people confuse estos, which is these, and esos, which is those. Here's a chant for you. This and these have T's, hey, that, and those don't. Go. This and these have T's, hey, that, and those don't. So, this girl is esta chica with a T. As soon as you stop touching her, it turns into esa chica. Alright, so there's a nice clip on that if you type in this and these. How are we going to remember that aburrido is boring? Well, it would be boring to eat a burrito every day. Say that. It would be boring to eat a burrito every day. So, aburrido is boring. Notice, in English we say she is very thirsty. But the word in Spanish for very is muy. We don't say ella tiene muy sed. We say she has much thirst. Now the tricky thing is, thirst is always feminine. Whether a boy is hungry, whether a boy is thirsty or a girl is thirsty, it's always mucha. So, yo tengo mucha sed. Los chicos tienen mucha sed. Maria tiene mucha sed. Okay? So, hunger and thirst are both feminine. And in Spanish, you don't say she is very thirsty, you say she has much thirst. Alright, look at 75. Los chicos tienen mucha hambre. Mr. Holt, chicos is plural and tienen is plural, so shouldn't hunger be plural? No. If the boys all owned one car together, and I said the boys own one car would be singular. Or the boys are lifting one book would be singular. So what you're saying is, the boys, they have much hunger. Hunger is a noun. You're saying they have hunger. So it's not an adjective. Literally, the boys, they have much hunger. Okay? And again, hunger and thirst are both feminine. So it's mucha sed and mucha hambre. Don't confuse hambre, which is hunger, like hamburger, with hombre, which is man. Okay, I've got a clip on that if you type in hombre or hambre. I means there is or there are. Okay, it looks like our word hay. So I grew up in the country, and here's the way I remembered it. There is hay in the barn. There are bales of hay in the barn. There is hay in the barn. There are bales of hay in the barn. So literally, there is a dog on the sofa. Hold it, Mr. Holt. The last letter of sofa is A, so why isn't it la? There are about 10 or 15 words in Spanish that end in A but are masculine. Everybody say el agua, go. El agua. Say el dia, go. El dia and el sofá. We'll explain that better in Spanish 3 and 4, but just right now realize most of the time if a noun ends in A, it's feminine, but sometime like dia and agua and sofá, it can end in an A and still be masculine. And notice that accent mark says hey. Don't stress the next to last vowel. Don't say sofa, say sofa. So an accent says don't stress the next to last vowel, stress me. That's Spanish 2, sentences 73 through 76.